It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day, and it's the grand reveal of the La Jolla Courtyard. I have ordered a new microphone because it is malfunctioning, as you've been so good to point out, and so patient. Thank you. We'll get it straightened out stat. And so today I'm doing the video myself so I can be very close to the phone and hopefully you can all hear me. This was a 3-day project with Greg and Mel, and today Miguel was here to help. Look at that. Isn't that something? That aloe dichotoma. Ugh. And then in the back, I did some Euphorbia millii ready reds, kind of as a hedge back there. And then we have the Mangave Desert Dragon. And a beautiful Echeveria gibiflora, kalanchoe. That aeonium that's variegated back there is called Pink Witch. And that was something that the client had that she allowed me to place out in the garden. How cool is that? The Talavera pieces also belong to the client. She's a collector and has some really cool pieces. She is a bird lover, and she had a Talavera parrot, so I staged it in the garden. So this is the potential in a small space. This is probably under 100 square feet. Look at the puppy in there. He's so cute. He just lays in that window and watches us all day. But yeah, the Pachypodium lemerii belonged to the client, and we moved it from the backyard and put it out here. I also gave most of her planters an upgrade. Here is our variegated Aloe Hercules. Top dressing is chamois beige. This Pachypodium belonged to the client. I added a little mammillaria to the pot. And then this agave attenuata was gifted to her by a friend that has since passed, so it has sentimental value. And then I've got a little Nodo cactus in this terracotta down here. And then on her shelves, we upgraded, cleaned up some well, we didn't clean up any plants. Her plants are spotless, but we took some out of their existing plastic pots and put them all in ceramic and terracotta and top dressed. I brought this Pilosoceras from home because it was a really, really beautiful specimen. This one was out in my front yard in a blue pot. And look at, guys, look, restraint, right? I thought about adding different types of gravel and bringing in fiberglass and doing slag glass and all these things. I thought, no, Laura, let the plant shine. And I'm loving that. This is a Stenoceras. Can you even with that? Look at that colors. Isn't that crazy? And this beautiful Aeonium Sunburst Crest belonged to the client. I brought in a little aloe, fan aloe for her. And this little Pachypodium crest is hers. And this little Calisto cactus, little monkey tail I brought. And that was her pot. I thought that was a cute pairing. And a little Echinopsis and a Pachyphytum. Yeah, so we've got some really cool things. The little agave white rhino, I got that for her from Oasis. That's going to grow up to be White the Knockout. And the Euphorbia obesa, another favorite of mine. Oh, and And then check out Mel's tapestry. Mel worked on this. Isn't it stunning? So we have mixed some of the usual suspects in with some of her collectibles. You know, like we've got the Crassula undulata back there, and then in front are some of her beautiful variegated aeoniums and a variegated Kalanchoe latticemithianthus. And that Ruchia, when it goes off, isn't that going to be the best? And the little pink millii I got from Oasis. Beautiful variegated aeonium there. That is an Echeveria sea dragon, one of my faves. And then more of the client's beautiful variegated plants. I brought her a couple of ghosty crests from my garden. Here's one of them. There's a beautiful Agavoides, a couple of them. Ooh, look at the variegation on that cotyledon. It's so stinking cool. So yeah, you know, a little of the old, a little of the new, married it all together. I also brought some Crassula Argentea Sunset from my house for her in this beautiful garden space. So yeah, there you have it. Feels so good. And she's so thrilled. And I'm so thrilled with this gorgeous little meditation garden. Thank you all so much for your kindness, for subscribing to my channel, for liking and sharing the videos. I love you all, and I will see you next time. This has been Laura Eubanks reporting from La Jolla, California, with your succulent jewel box garden and your succulent tip of the day and grand reveal. Bye, guys.